Good morning children. Welcome back to the maths class. I am Soumya, your maths teacher of Dr. Beeson School. Children, are you ready for the class? Everyone get ready along with the book, pencil, sharpener, eraser and everything. Okay children, shall I start the class now? You got your all the things? Yeah, I will start now. Listen children, in the previous class we already learnt about the tangrams. Isn't it? Everyone understood about the tangrams? Tangram pieces? Okay. You tried any design by using the tangram pieces? Good. Now, I already explained one more thing. The difference between the two-dimensional figures and the three-dimensional figures also. Isn't it? Yeah. Now, in this class, we are going to learn about the solid shapes. What are the solid shapes? Do you know? What are the solid shapes? The solid shape are the three-dimensional figures only. The three-dimensional figures are called as solid shapes, solid figures, 3D figures. Like that, we can call the three-dimensional figure. Do you remember what is a three-dimensional figure? Yeah, you remember. Once again, I will explain about the two-dimensional figures and three-dimensional figures. See, the figures which have only two dimensions means this is the length and this is the breadth. Means how many dimensions this figure has? Only two dimensions. Means this type of figure is called as 2D figure. The figures which have the two dimensions only, those figures are called as two-dimensional figures. Now coming to this one. See how many dimensions are there here? This is called as the length and this is called as the breadth and this is called as the height. Total how many dimensions are there for this one? 3 dimensions. Total here 3 dimensions are there. That's why these type of figures are called as 3-dimensional figures. What these are called as? 3D figures or 3-dimensional figures. These 3D figures are also called as solid figures or solid shapes. These solid figures are solid shapes. 3-dimensional figures are also called as solid figures and solid shapes. In this class, we will explain about you will learn about the solid figures. Do you remember what are the solid figures? 3-dimensional figures in the previous class we already learnt. You already learnt about the solid shapes. Do you remember or not? Once again, go through the chart. What are the 2D figures and what are the 3D figures? Okay, children? Are you ready? Yeah. Coming to the chart now. Which shape this one? What is it? Circle. Circle is the 2D figure. What is it? This is the square. Square also a 2D figure. Now, what is it? Triangle. Triangle also a 2D figure. What is it? Rectangle. Good children. Rectangle also 2D figure. All these are the 2D figures. Why? All these are only two dimensions. We can draw the two dimensions on a flat surface. That's why these are called as 2D figures. Okay. Now coming to the 3D figures. See. Which shape this one? What is it? This is the cube. Okay. This shape. This is the example of the cube. Box. Box is looking like a cube. Isn't it? Good. This is the 3D figure. Which figure this one? 3D figure. Now coming to what is it? This is the cuboid. That is cuboid. Coming to this duster. Duster is in which shape? Cuboid. Okay children? Yeah, good. Now coming to this shape. Good. This is the cylindrical shape. Which shape this one? This is cylinder. Okay, now coming to this one. What is it? This is, see, what is it? This is cone. We share this one, cone. All these are the solid figures, are 3D figures, are 3-dimensional figures. Okay children, now in this class we will learn the parts of the 3-dimensional figures. What are the parts of these 3-dimensional figures? What are vertices, what are edges, and what are the faces? We will learn all these things now. Okay, now coming to this shape, this box. This box is in cube shape. Good children, this is in cube shape. Now see, all the faces are in which shape? All the faces of the cube in which shape? Square only. All the faces, these all are called as faces. See, this one and this one, this one, all these square surfaces are called as faces. What these are called as? Faces. Okay children, now see, these lines are there. All these lines are called as edges. What are all these called as? Edges. This line and this line and this line and this line. This one, all these lines are called as edges of the cube. Okay. Now, what are vertices? The point at which these edges are meeting. These points are called as vertices. What these are called as? Vertices. A point at which these edges are meeting in one point or not? This point. This point is one vertex. And this point is one vertex. And this point is another vertex. And this point is another vertex. All these are called as vertices. The point at which all the edges are meeting, those are called as vertices. Okay children, I will explain on the board by drawing a cube. Okay, see. First learn how to draw the cube in a step by step. Do you know how to draw the cube? Yeah, you know. I will explain also. See. In step 1, first draw one square. Okay. In step 2, see, after drawing the first square, again draw the square like this. Draw one more square like this. Okay, this is the step 1. In step 2, draw one more square like this. Okay children, now we got 2 squares. In step 3, already we drawn the 2 squares like this. See, now we have to join these vertices. See, this one to this one like this. This one to this one like this. And here to here. Here to here. This is the drawing of the cube. Understood children? Once try again at the home also. See, first draw one square. Again draw another square like this. After that one, join the vertices. This is the cube. We got the cube shape now. Okay children? Now we will learn the parts of this cube now. Everyone, once open the page number 6 of your textbook. Page number 6. Okay? See what is there? Higher order thinking skills there. Page number textbook. Yeah, that one. Once read out the lines. Observe the given figure. It looked like a box. Is it look like a box or not? Yeah, this is looking like this box only. Yeah, this is look like a box. Now see, in figure, AB is the length and BF is the breadth of the box. AD is called the height of the box. So, this shape has 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. If the shape has a three-dimensional length, breadth and height means those figures are called as three-dimensional figures or solid figures. Or solid shapes you can use as 3D figures. You can use any word of all those words. Okay children, now I am drawing that cube here. See. A, B, C and D. Okay. Next. E, F, Z, H. Okay. After drawing the two squares, what we have to do? For drawing the cube, join the vertices like this. Yeah. This is the cube shape now. Okay. Now what are the parts we have to write down? Okay. First write what are the vertices here. Let's see what are the vertices. What I said about the vertices. The point at which all the edges are meeting. This line is one edge or not? Yeah. All these lines are called as edges. Isn't it? Yeah. Now, where all the edges are meeting like this, where the point at which two edges are meeting, those points are called as vertices. Now, we have to write down what are the vertices there. Can you say children, what are the vertices? Say loudly, what are the vertices for this cube? Good children. A, this is one vertex. B, next C, next D, E, next F, next Z, and H. All these are the vertices of this cube. All these are called as vertices. Okay. Next, what is the next thing? Good. Edges. What are the edges for this cube? First, write about this square now. Okay. AB is one edge and BC is another edge. BC, CD, next AB, BC, CD and DA. DA. Next, this one already over. Remaining write down AF for this square. AE, square face. For this square face, you have to write down the edges. AE, EF, FB. Next, down this one. Here also this one already over. Write down the remaining edges. DH, HG, and GC. Next, this one also over. Next, EH, and FG. And FG. How many edges we got? Once count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total how many edges your cube has? 12 edges. Total how many vertices a cube has? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Vertices over, edges over. What is the next thing? Faces. What is the next thing? Faces. Which shape of face this cube has? Which shape of faces? Square faces. What are the square faces here? I already explained. This is the cube. All these are called as the faces. All these square shapes are there. These are called as faces. This one and this one. All these are called as faces. Let's write down what are the faces here. First write down the front part. This one. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is one face. A, B, C, D is one face, back one. E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H is another face. Front one A, B, C, D. Back one E, F, G, H. Next, this side one. A, D, H, E. A, D, H, E. A, D, H, E. This is one face and this side one. Okay. B, C, G, F. B, C, G, F. Is another face. Front one over, back one over, this side one over, this side one. And top and bottom. A, B, E, F. A, B, E, F is one face. Next one, down one. D, H, G, C. D, H, G, C. All these are the faces. Let's count how many faces this cube has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 faces. All these are called as the faces of this cube. Okay children, everyone understood about the cube? Yeah, these are the vertices and these are the edges and these are the faces. Okay, now let's say, can you say what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? Good. This is the cube shape and this is the cuboid shape. All the faces are here in which shape? Square. For cuboid, all the faces are in which shape? This one is a rectangle and this one also a rectangle and this one also a rectangle and this one also a rectangle. For cube, all the faces are in square shape. For cuboid, all the faces are in which shape? Rectangle shape. Means the solid figures which have all the faces in square shape are called as cubes. Now, the solid figures which have all the rectangle faces means what are those? Cuboids. Everyone understood about the cube and cuboid? What are the differences between those two? Good. The solid figures which have the square faces are called as cubes. The solid figures which have the rectangle faces are called as cuboids. Okay children? Yeah. See, let's see the poem. Here, 6th one over. Children, I already explained you about the cube. How to draw the cube in step by step. I hope you understand how to draw the cube. Like this, here, page number 7, some boxes are given for you. Here you have to draw cuboid and cone. How to draw the cuboid in step by step, you have to draw here. And draw the cone step by step here. First draw one square rectangle in the step 1. And in step 2, draw another rectangle. In step 3, join those vertices. That is the process of drawing of cuboid. For the cone, first to draw one slant line and draw another slant line in step 2. In step 3, draw the circular base. Okay children, like this you have to draw the images of cuboid and the cone. After drawing the cuboid and cone, take the pictures and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay children, that is the homework for you today. Okay children, will you send the images to me? Good. Thank you children.